Good afternoon. I have spent the morning getting prepared because I need to shoot a bunch of content today. So I have a sponsorship with June's Journey that I've got to shoot an integration for. I need to film the video for that, which will be a vintage haul. You guys may have already watched it at this point. I'm not sure. It will either be the one before or the one after this video. And I need to shoot a reel as well. So I'm going to be a busy girl this afternoon. This looks like shit. I just tried to do a hair tutorial for a short form video, but it is so hot today that I sweated so much that it ruined the set. Like when I brushed out, the sweat that was on my scalp got brushed through my hair and it just destroyed all the curls. And I also realized that I had no hairspray. I thought I had a whole nother bottle of it somewhere, but apparently I don't. So I've had to try and set my hair with one of those awful spritzer bottle hairsprays that I've had for years, that was once recommended to me by a hairdresser, and it was rubbish. So now I water it down and use it as a setting lotion. So I had to like spray it onto my head and then smooth it onto my hair and use clips to try and achieve something remotely vintagey for my video today. Good times. Oh my God, I did not. What have I done? Okay, so the filming for my integration and my haul is done. I'm very warm. Now I need to edit the integration and edit the video at least to a draft stage so I can get it off to the client so they can review it and let me know whether I can indeed publish it next week. Keep your fingers crossed for me, guys. If it's out next Wednesday, then you'll know they said yes. So basically now you're just going to be watching me edit. Enjoy.
You want to wee the sink.
Do you need wee wees? Yes, you want wee wees? Come on. Come on for wee wees.
Stop. Good.
Just took Lou for a walk down our massive hill to the bakery to grab some bread and back up the hill again. But I still have more editing to do before I can send the video off to the client.
It's not too much on this. You want to work? Yeah, work done.
No. I finally managed to send the integration off, so now I'm cooking a very quick dinner because it's getting late and we're both hungry. So I'm just throwing something together. Some days are aesthetic dinner days and some days aren't. This is falling in the some days aren't category. We're gonna have our dinner and I think I'm gonna sign off for today because really I'm just gonna watch TV from now on, so I will catch up with you guys tomorrow.
Good morning.
Today's plan is to vlog because I have to edit and upload this very video because I have not been vlogging for the last few days. Yeah, it's been like, I've just been doing the same stuff you guys already saw, so I didn't want to be that repetitive, but today might be a little bit more interesting. I'm planning to do some sewing. I've had some sewing projects that I started before we moved that I haven't gotten back to, so that might be a nice way to spend my Sunday. And then I gotta get editing and uploading, so that is the plan. I'm having breakfast right now. I'm eating peanut butter, bananas, chili, and lime on toast. I've never managed to convince you guys that this is a good combination, but if you are into Thai flavors, you know, like pawpaw or mango salads with chili and lime, this is the shit, okay? But, you know, whatever. The cheese stands alone. Apparently our yard is a kitty hotspot. We get multiple cats on a regular basis who like just hanging in our yard. And the fact that there is a massive black Labrador that lives there and that we have a rabid dinosaur Yorkie does not seem to deter them in the slightest. When Louis barks at them or stands at the window, they just look at him like, dude, you're half my size, so shut up. Your prowess is not working on the southern kitties, huh? Yeah, you smell is the cat outside. After that was good. My neighbours were there, which made it a little bit embarrassing to film, but I got some footage. And now I have to eat something because I'm starving. Just went for a curry noodle soup because it's almost midday. Well, it is actually. It's 12:11, so decided to just go for a whole meal. I tell you what, if this is not a look, then I don't know what is. I have... Hello.
Someone's not feeling very well. He vomited a bit today. Hope he's alright.
I have edited the majority of this vlog and I have just edited the reel I'm going to put up tonight. I turned the bad hair experience I had into what I hope is a funny video about having a bad hair day. So we'll see how that goes. I'll put it on here as well. So if you guys want to see it, I will link it to this video. So now I'm gonna do some sewing. It's been ages and I have an outfit I really want to wear that I need to get onto before I can't wear it anymore. It's only summer for a certain amount of months per year.
I think he's feeling a little bit better. Yeah? You feel better?
So the piece that I am going to be sewing is a remake of a project I did recently. I will link it up above. It was a 1960s jumpsuit that I did in a yellow vintage jersey material. I, on Vinted, picked up this hot pink, I don't even know what type of material it is, but I'll bring it in close so you can see. It has sort of a embossed pattern all over it, and the embossing is giving me real mid-century vibes, so I love that, and it's hot pink, which is really fun. So I wanted to remake the jumpsuit, but I am going to lengthened the legs a little bit on this one to match the length and the turn up on another project that I did, which was a matching two-piece set, a lounge set. I really liked the way the pants turned up at the bottom. And if at the end of this project I don't like it, I can always cut it to the length it's supposed to be and just make it the same as the other jumpsuit I have. So, worth a try. I've had to stitch rib go down a bit further, but I think my zip is not long enough. So I'm gonna have to add the zip in like down here. And then, well, on the last one I kind of wished it had an opening like this. So maybe I will do that. I'll put the zip down lower and create a little V at the top. But it's looking all right so far. I had to stitch rip the pants a bit. I'll show you guys. Try and step back. Lulu's on the floor here. Yeah, so she looks like this, and she comes down quite long. I do like that factor. Try and show you the bottom part of the pants. So you can see I need a stitch rip even a bit higher because it's very tight on my calves. I might even unpick this and just leave a little bit less seam allowance here, but she will fold up like so. Okay, if I'm gonna get this video uploaded today, I better stop there because it's after 6 p.m. I think it might even be after 7 p.m. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you're enjoying the vlogs, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.